Drive's Carrier Site Tutorial. Add users. Select Users from the left sidebar of the Drive Carrier site to go to the Users page. Here, you can view all users who have had accounts under your carrier. To add a new user, select the Add User button at the top of the page. In the pop-up, enter the new user's first and last name and email address. The user's email address cannot be the same email address that was used to create a driver account. Under the Permission Level drop-down menu, choose what role you would like to grant the user. Manager only gives the user permission to invite drivers and monitor logs, while Admin allows the user to edit carrier information as well as invite and support users. Once you have completed filling out the required details, select the Add This User button. An email with an invite link will be sent to the requested user. Drive, your solution to ELD compliance.